In this module, we are going to reinforce our concept regarding global economic integration. National economy is referred to the sum of the economic activity undertaken by a nation's households and firms in the product and resource market in a year. Small and medium industries of any country serve as the foundations of national economy. National economies influence the constantly expanding global economy. Without national economies, betterment, we cannot perceive a good global economy. Short term benefits: more national profit in the national economies, higher income per capita, more job opportunities, increase in exports, more goods and services, high standard of living. If nations are trying to adopt the basic principles of economics that are regarding exporting the surplus and importing only the needs. Globalization creates notable change on the national economic environment. Economic development policies are influenced. The economy of the United States is the influx of different global economies because different diaspora are working in United States of America and sharing their skills to improve the state's economy. Many international corporations are coming to the United States, which will resultantly increase the performance and productivity. Learning new skills while there is a cross cultural exchange is going on, definitely it adds up to our skills and we learn new skills at global level. Global economy. World economies are interconnected, more interdependence. Economic activities are mutually carried out between different countries. International exchange of goods and services. Specialization of products depending on the comparative advantage that nations which can produce the best commodity, they should provide that commodity to other countries. This is how the theory of comparative advantage can give economic fruits to all countries. Unification of global economies has negative income effects for certain people and regions. Inequality in income distribution, exploitation of workers, low wages due to international recruitment, and job insecurity. This is how we learn that global economic integration is only possible when most of the countries are assisting the countries which are less flourished economically. This interdependence can create a global community in this sociology of globalization. If only the developed countries are trying to monopolize the economic resources of the world and not trying to assist the developing world, terrorism will increase because of the sense of deprivation among the less economically developed countries. It is need of the hour that developed world has to understand in a way that how we can live together in this global community.